In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Whop to manage your business dashboard effectively. Whether you're looking to start a business, learn a new skill, or build a network, Whop is a platform that can help streamline and organize your professional activities. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process that will guide you through managing your dashboard and even deleting a company profile if needed. First, let's open up your web browser and head over to Whop's homepage. This is your starting point to access all the resources and tools Whop offers. Once you're on the site, you'll want to log in if you haven't done so already. Once you've logged in, locate the dashboard option on the homepage. Clicking on dashboard will take you to the control center where all your business activities and profiles are housed. The dashboard is crucial because it's a comprehensive interface that allows you to oversee your business operations with ease. Now that you're in the dashboard, you'll notice a series of company profiles linked to your account. If you're looking to remove a particular company profile, what you'll need to do is find the specific company you wish to delete. To do this, simply click on the arrow next to the company name. This arrow is a drop-down menu icon that gives you more options related to the specific company profile you have highlighted. After clicking the arrow, a few options will appear, and among these, you'll see one labeled Delete. Before you proceed with deletion, ensure that this is the company you really want to remove. Remember, deleting a company profile is a permanent action and cannot be undone. So, double check to confirm you've selected the right profile. Any hesitations or second thoughts should be resolved before moving forward. Once you're certain, go ahead and click delete. Doing so will prompt a final confirmation to proceed